Hi friends, now we have Lenovo T61 laptop. In the laptop, now we are going to install Windows 7. My Windows 7 USB bootable is already connected. Now I will show you how to install the Windows 7 in Lenovo T61 laptop. First you switch on the laptop and then keep press the F12 button to select boot device. Keep press this F12. Then you need to select here USB hard disk drive, vendor product code. This is my pen drive. Select this and press enter, and then it will show press any key to boot from CD. You need to press enter here to start installation of Windows 7. Wait for few seconds. It will start installing. And then in the Windows 7 menu, click the next option to start installation and install now. Click here. Now need to select Windows 7 Professional. Whichever you want, you can select it. If you are a Windows 7 original, means you need to select the which version is yours. Anyway, they are mentioned the back side of the laptop. Windows 7 Home, Windows 7 Professional. My is Windows 7 Professional, and then select this Windows 7 Professional and then click next. I accept the license terms. Click this, and then again press the next button. Then select Custom and Disk 0 Partition to Windows. This is my Windows drive. Means this is our C drive. What are the files is there in the C drive? We already taken the backup. Because of this, we are going to format this my C drive. Format it. Then click next. Now it will start installing. Wait for a few seconds. It will start installing Windows 7.